Today we learnt a new lesson, how our body works. So we did the textbook activities and now we're going to see all that we need to write in our classwork. I've already sent you the pictures, but this is to show you page by page how we do it. And we don't write all the pages in our classwork the same day. Parents, please see that the child writes one page or one activity per day or maximum 2 activities. So this whole one lesson has to be completed with the classwork and the reading and the project and the video which I have told you to send me in 1 week. For every lesson we have 1 week to complete the activities. And parents who are diligently sending me their work, thank you so much for that. And other parents, kindly start sending work once in a week so that the child gets used to studying. Otherwise, this whole year will go for a waste. So let us go to the classwork activity. How our body works. 3920. The date can be the date that the child is doing the work on. New words. We wrote all the new words and I told you to make the child write it 3 times. Even this the child has to write. Parents will not write anything in the classwork. Please note. New words, useful, useful, useful. How do we write? How do we study our spellings? F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N, function. F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N, function. So we will repeat it at least 3 times. And every day we read what's written in the text in the classwork and also the textbook, we will be perfect. So we wrote new words. And what is this? This is the first activity. 1. Okay. What is the second activity for this lesson? 2. What do we call this? This is a Roman number. Roman number 2. Match the following. What did we have? We had left side and right side and we've got to match it. The next activity, Roman number 3. Write one word for poem. All these words, this activity is from the poem. Fill in the blanks. Write one word for, in brackets, poem, and then fill in the blanks. Clap dash clap dash clap. What is the one word? We use our hands, right? Hands to clap. So let's look at the poem. All these words are from the poem. So if you have a doubt here, just look at the poem. Clap, 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 hands. Stamp, stamp. What should we write here? Stamp. So the child will write. All this the child only needs to write, because if we were in school, the teacher would write this on the board and the child would copy. So we are at home and just show the child the video or the picture and the child will slowly copy it in. You can just support the child. Stamp, 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 legs. 2 little legs go, stamp, stamp, stamp. Peep dash peep, eyes. 2 little eyes go, peep, peep, peep. So fill in the blanks. All the words are there in the poem. That is Roman number 3. What's the next activity? 4. Fill in the missing letters. Learn to read, learn to write, children. Fill in the missing letters. Did you notice 1 finger space after each word? Yes. So let's fill in the blanks here. So when you see this, what is this word? Where will you find these words? All the words are there in the spellings, new words that you wrote. And also search for the words from page 13 and 14. So let's go to page 13. This is page 13. And what's the first word here? S dash 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 D. Can you see anything that starts with S? Can you see anything that starts with? Oh yes, it's right here. It starts with S and it ends in D. Can you see? Starts with S and ends in D. So what should we write here? T-A-N. So let's write T O. Write in pencil, children. STAND. What is it? Stand. Stand. What is the next word? W-K. Where should we search for it? Here it is. W-A-L-K. Walk. So let's write W-A-L-K. So this activity, you should do it on your own. If you have a doubt, you can ask your parents or your guide. That is number 4. And what's number 5? Number 5 is FILL. Fill in the blanks. Color. So the child should draw the picture and the child should color. It doesn't have to be perfect. What does this look like? Ear. What does this look like? Eye. What does this look like? This looks like a face, but I forgot to put the hair for the child. So let me just color. Okay, so look at the picture and fill in the blanks. I dash with my dash. I, what do? I hear with my ear. So this is there in the textbook. You can look at it. I dash with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I have dash on my dash. What is this? This is your head and this is your hair. I have hair on my head. My dash helps me turn my head. My dash, what is this? Neck. My neck. My legs help me. This I have not drawn the picture. You can just write the answer. My legs help me walk or run, whatever you like. That's our 5th exercise. Let's go on to the 6th one. 6th exercise is question and answers. Question, question. ANSWERS, answers. Question 1. What do we do with our legs and feet? Answer. Question, all this a child has to write, not the parents, not the sisters, not the brothers. Okay? Answer. We run, comma, walk, comma, stand, comma, kick, comma, jump, comma, hop and balance with our legs and feet. Second question. What do we do with our arms and hands? We hold, comma, lift, comma, touch, comma, write, comma, push, comma, greet, comma, and pray with our arms and hands. And the last activity for this lesson, Roman number 7. Stick pictures of actions with hands and legs. Page number 12 in the activity book. We have an activity book, right, children? This is our activity book which we have for 1st standard. So you got to go to page number, this is page number 12 and this is page number 13. So we've got to go here and I've already taken the pictures out and stuck them. You have to take out the pictures from here and stick it into your classwork book and write the headings like I have written. With that, we finish our social studies 3rd lesson classwork activity.